Number 1. 1992 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,900. This heavy-duty pickup is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a classic white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving the truck a clean and timeless look. This particular truck is described as rust-free and has been set up with several desirable upgrades. It is powered by the strong 454 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission and a gear vendor's overdrive unit, which helps improve highway cruising and overall drivability. Performance enhancements include Thorley headers and a Flowmaster exhaust system, providing better engine breathing and a deeper exhaust note. The truck also rides on durable Alcoa wheels and is equipped with a fifth-wheel hitch, making it well suited for towing trailers or campers. Additional features include a CD player for in-cab entertainment and newly installed taillights. Number 2. 1991 Toyota pickup, price $8,500. This well-kept example has 182,000 miles and is powered by a dependable V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a smooth driving experience and strong performance. It features a red exterior with a black interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless look. This pickup has been well maintained over the years and remains in excellent condition both inside and out. The interior is clean and comfortable, while the exterior still presents very well for its age. It also comes equipped with a sunroof and carries a clean title, making it an appealing option for collectors or anyone looking for a dependable older truck. Known for their durability and long-lasting reliability, trucks like this have built a strong reputation among enthusiasts. Number 3. 1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $10,000, well-kept pickup showing 78,000 miles on the odometer, paired with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It features a tan exterior matched with a tan interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance that fits the timeless design of the Tacoma. This particular Tacoma is a two-owner truck from Florida with no accident history and comes with a clean Florida title. It is reported to run and drive great, with the air conditioning blowing cold and no warning lights on the dashboard, indicating everything is functioning as it should. For added convenience and a more modern touch, the truck has been fitted with a new Sony radio equipped with Bluetooth connectivity. Allowing for easy music streaming and hands-free use, the truck has also received recent maintenance, including new Falcon tires, a new valve cover gasket, new spark plugs, and new drive belts. In addition, the air conditioning system has recently been serviced, helping ensure it continues to perform well. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has traveled approximately 87,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a yellow exterior paired with a black interior, and it runs on gasoline. This truck is powered by a 1991 Corvette TPI 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, giving it strong performance while maintaining the character of a classic square-body Chevy. The vehicle has been upgraded with dual electric cooling fans, along with an enhanced audio system that includes 2 amplifiers, speakers, an 8-inch subwoofer, and a retrosound radio with Bluetooth compatibility. It also sits slightly lower thanks to 2-inch drop shackles, improving its stance. The original dash bezel is included with the truck. It was temporarily removed to install the radio. Number 5. 1997 Ford F250, price $3,400, reliable and practical pickup truck suitable for daily work and general use. This truck has 160,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a 4.2-liter engine. It features a blue exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The vehicle runs and drives strong with no mechanical problems, making it a dependable option for someone looking for a solid work truck. It also comes with cold air conditioning and tires that are nearly new, which add to its overall usability and comfort. While the truck is mechanically sound, it has only minor cosmetic imperfections, which is typical for a vehicle of its age. Overall, this F-150 presents itself as a great work truck ready to go, with the price open to negotiation for interested buyers. Number 6. 2001 Dodge Ram 3500, price $5,499, well-known Cummins 24-valve diesel engine, a drivetrain widely respected for its durability and strong towing capability. This heavy-duty pickup has accumulated approximately 300,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior complemented by a gray interior, and the cabin has been kept in good condition for its age, showing that it has been cared for over the years. As a diesel-powered model, it offers the torque and longevity that Cummins-equipped Ram trucks are known for, making it a practical option for work, hauling, or everyday use. Everything on the truck is reported to be functioning properly, and it comes with a clean title, providing additional peace of mind. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, showing approximately 68,000 miles, is offered with an automatic transmission, finished in tan with a matching tan interior and powered by a gasoline engine. This rust-free truck is equipped with a 350 V8 paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and a 3.08 limited slip rear end, and it runs and drives well. The truck retains its original paint, though the clear coat on the hood and roof is peeled, which is common for these models. It rides on like new tires mounted on original rally wheels that have been powder-coated. The headliner needs repair, there are a few dents on each side of the bed, the driver's side power window occasionally sticks, the odometer stopped working a few years ago, and the AC currently does not blow cold. Number 8. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900, it shows 234,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drive setup, delivering reliable performance and smooth driving. The truck comes in a black exterior with a blue interior, and the cabin remains in good condition, reflecting careful ownership over the years. This pickup runs and drives well, with tight steering and no known leaks or mechanical issues. It has also been fitted with a lowered suspension, giving it a more aggressive stance, while good tires all around help ensure a stable ride. Powered by gasoline, the truck offers the classic strength and sound expected from the 5.7L V8 platform. The vehicle is being sold with a clean title in hand, making it a straightforward option for its next owner. Number 9. 1980 Ford F250, price $8,500, it has 92,000 original miles, comes with a manual transmission, and features a white exterior paired with a blue interior. This truck is equipped with the well-known 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and the highly durable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, widely regarded for its reliability and longevity. The vehicle was purchased directly from its original owner, adding to its authenticity and history. The truck originally began life as a long bed model but was professionally shortened to a short bed configuration, giving it a more aggressive and custom appearance. It has also been lowered and modified, enhancing both its stance and overall style. The build is complemented by 17-inch torque thrust wheels wrapped in brand new Goodyear tires. Number 10. 1977 Ford F250, price $6,000. This classic truck has been sitting for approximately 1 to 2 years, but it still runs and drives, with no blow-by reported from the engine. The odometer reads in kilometers rather than miles, which converts to roughly 188,000 miles. Cosmetically and mechanically, the truck does show some rust and will require a bit of TLC. Areas that may need attention include the cab bushings, door hinge pin bushings, and tires. Despite these needs, it presents a solid foundation for someone looking for a classic pickup to restore, maintain, or use as a project. The truck also comes with a set of Alcoa wheels, and the owner has the additional wheel to complete the full set of 4. The vehicle is being sold with a clean title in hand, making the transfer straightforward for the next owner.